Today we're unboxing these from the 80s. They're called pen dispensers. I like pen dispensers because they're toys and candies. Let's open them up. I'm gonna open this one. First, we have to open the pen dispenser. Now I'm going to put the candies. Sometimes you gotta put it in a whole roll. Sometimes you gotta put it in one time. Let's try this one. The broken piece.
Okay.
I had to try this on process. All done. Now I get to lift up Elsa's head and get some candy. Thanks for watching, friends.